Ensure the printer is plugged in, powered on, and within range of your Wi-Fi network. A Windows PC laptop connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. On the printer's control panel, press the wireless button. Open Wi-Fi, then enable Wi-Fi connection. On your computer, download and install the HP Smart app from the Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. You can search for HP Smart in the search bar and click on Get to download and install it. Once installed, open the HP Smart app. On the welcome screen, click on Set up a new printer. HP Smart will automatically detect your printer on the network. Select your printer from the list of detected devices and click Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the app to detect and configure the printer. If the driver for your printer is not already installed, HP Smart will download and install it for you. This process may take a few minutes, so please be patient. Follow the on-screen instructions. The supplies and demo page will show you the status of the toner cartridges and other consumables in your printer. It will also print a test page so you can check the quality of your printer's output.
Assalamualaikum.